Frank Gehry once said, architecture should speak for its time and place, but yearn for timelessness. At Euphoria Golf Estate in Mokonyane, Limpopo, we discover the perfect union of nature's serenity and modern architectural elegance. Welcome to this newly built masterpiece by Mokonyane Property Group, where nature is not merely a backdrop, but an essential element of your living experience. This home, designed with nature in mind, is nestled in one of South Africa's most tranquil golf estates. Here, animals roam freely, fostering a unique connection between the natural world and the refined luxury of everyday living. In a holiday home within a golf estate like Euphoria, the natural surroundings profoundly influence the exterior material choices. The stone cladding mirrors the rugged terrain, blending the home seamlessly with the earthy textures of its environment. We opted for dark grey accents in the roofing, aluminium, and garage doors to contrast the two-tone primary color scheme. A blend of cream and brown provide an earthy aesthetic, harmonizing beautifully with the natural landscape. A glass pivot door, allowing natural light to flood the entryway, welcomes you into this modest yet elegant holiday home. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior crafted by Fauve Atelier, where elegance meets functionality. The heart of the open entertainment space is the kitchen. Its seamless design offers clean lines and functionality. The darker island boasts a grey countertop, a gas stove, a grey prep bowl, while black faucets and accessories add a sleek touch throughout the home, starting with this island. A square extractor fan, paired with two pendant lights, illuminate the space. Lighter cabinets built into the wall house the ovens and provide ample storage. Adjacent to the kitchen is a dry bar area highlighted by LED floating shelves and a marble-look tile, elevating the aesthetic. Behind the bar is a full-service scullery, complete with space for a washing machine, a dryer, and a sink for utility tasks. The same wall tile from the bar is used throughout, with the hanging light illuminating the room. The rest of the open plan area includes dining and living rooms. A folding glass door invites abundant natural light while offering unobstructed views of the golf course and the wildlife beyond, allowing the home to feel at one with its surroundings. 3 of the 4 bedrooms serve as guest rooms, each featuring wood flooring, a signature detail in our bedroom designs. The open cabinets and the built-in wardrobes are color coordinated with the walls and flooring for a cohesive look. Each bedroom is ensuite, with bathrooms that feature white walls, dark cabinetry, and black frame showers, maintaining the home's consistent theme of black accents. The standout space aside from the kitchen is a primary bedroom suite. The door opens to a spacious bathroom with white satin finished tiles that provide a perfect backdrop for the large double vanity, a spacious shower, and freestanding bathtub. The black and white contrasts keeps the space both modern and elegant. The bedroom itself is a warm, light-filled sanctuary thanks to the corner folding doors that open out to the backyard, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor living. The result is a home that doesn't disrupt the landscape, but enhances the experience of living in it, creating a harmonious retreat deeply rooted in its natural environment. Mokonyane Property Group, known for their attention to detail and quality craftsmanship, ensured every element of this home was built with care and precision. This structure is a testament to our commitment to building homes that stand the test of time. In this home, luxury and nature are perfectly aligned, offering a lifestyle that is both peaceful and prestigious, with wildlife wandering and the golf course stretching beyond the doorstep. As Mokonyane Property Group and Fauve Atelier continues to deliver homes of distinction, we hope to prove that a well-built home is not just a place to live, but a foundation for generations to come.